Hello guys, welcome to Electronic Experience. In this video, I'm going to explain you what is Arduino and what we use Arduino for our project under 10 minutes. So let's get start our video. We have Arduino R3, Uno R3, fa- famous part of our Arduino family, and we have many part of Arduino. I'm going to explain you what part used for. We have USB plug and we connect our USB cable to this part with USB cable type B, and we have external power supply. We connect 7 to 12 power volt and to this part we have reset. We have 6 pin name reset pin, 3 and 3 volt power pin, 5 volt power pin, ground to ground pin, and voltage in. We actually input our voltage. We have 6 analog pin name A0 to A5. We have 80 mega 328 microcontroller. That's an AVR microcontroller. We have reset button on this to reset our Arduino board. We have in circuit serial programmer for program our microcontroller. We have serial out name TX and its name transmitter, and serial in RX its name receiver. We have digital input and output pin 2 to 13. We have digital ground and analog reference. Arduino actually is a main board. We main board and development board. We can use it open source for our project and programming it. So we use and we get help from Arduino reference name arduino.cc. We use to get help arduino.cc as an Arduino reference. We have many page and part in this. You can see Arduino hardware family from this page, like Nano family and Nano family store page, MQR family, MKR family, and Arduino Shield family. And another one, we have software part. We can install an Arduino program from this part. So as you can see, we have many type of version we use for an Arduino, like Arduino IDE 2.2.1 and Arduino IDE 1.8.19.19. You can download your program. And we have Arduino in documentation. We have Arduino reference, and we have many function and variables and structure in there. You can see what function you use and go to use it. For example, I use digital read, and if I click the digital read, we have description, syntax, parameters, returns, and for example code. You can write this code to your Arduino and see what happened. If you want to know about any function or variables and a structure to use, you should go to your project and need what you need for your project. We have community and project hub. If you want to know what project until today we make from Arduino or Arduino family make from Arduino, you can go to this page. Anyone make any project from Arduino, putting that in Arduino page, and you can see many type of project. If for example I click getting started with the HCSR0 for ultrasonic sensor, you can see ultrasonic image and what part we use for this project on our program Arduino IDE, and what our connection is, our schematics and code example and code description. we have our code for your project. You can copy and paste this code to your project and make this project for your Arduino with your Arduino. And let's install our Arduino for your computer. I install this version for my computer. You can install this version or the newest version. If you install this version, you can view this icon, and if you install the newest version, you can see this icon. If you open Arduino program, you can see we have two functions like name void setup and void loop. If you see, we have put your setup code here to run once. We put our pin code or serial code to this part to run once, and we have loop function to run our code repeatedly. We have 5 parts in like this, like file, edit, sketch, and tool and help. File, you can open new and open recent, sketch, example, close, and another one. Edit for our edit, sketch for our sketch if you want to include library or add file, or another one. We use tools for know what kind of Arduino we use and connected our details. You can see I use Arduino Nano for my project, so I choose Arduino Nano. If you want to Arduino Uno, you go to tools, board, Arduino AVR board, Arduino Uno, and we have part in there. If you connect your Arduino to your computer, you can see what port actually is for your Arduino, and you connect your port to your Arduino. For example, I'm going to add example part. This example part have many project type of project like arduino.cc. You can use it in program. The first project you can learn is Blink. If you open Blink, you can see this comment there and this code for your Arduino. If you connect to this part and this link, you can see your circuit. You should connect like this. You should connect like this: LED and breadboard, resistor, and Arduino. And our code is like this: pin mode LED button in output. Our LED is output part. Digital write LED built in high, and delay for 1 second. Digital write LED built low, and delay for 1 second. If you want to increase or decrease delay and high and low, you should increase and decrease this measure. So we have verify and upload part. If your code is correctly and without problem, your verify is correct, as you can see. And if you have a problem like this, your verify get problem from your code and write in description. If your code is correctly, your code is actually correct. If you want to upload your code to your Arduino, you should connect to upload pin and upload to your Arduino. So let's upload to your Arduino and see what happens. So this is an Arduino Nano in reality. As you can see, I upload my Blink code to our Arduino. I connect the Arduino to my computer with an Arduino cable, and this is what will happen. If you like this project, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In next project, I'm going to tell you which one kind of sensor we use for Arduino to detect anything and make any project.